Hey Kipsters, I'm outside enjoying the wonderful weather, and so hopefully you enjoyed this video. It is a recap on what we learned today, so it's very important that you pay attention very carefully. You might want to use your Google calculator, and also you might want to get out a piece of paper and write down the two formulas that I'm about to show you, okay? So in this video, we're going to practice area and circumference, and it looks like there were some problems. So this represents the area of a circle, which is pi times r to the second power. And circumference, which is c is equal to 2 pi r, is the circumference. So c is equal to 2 times pi times r. In this video, I want you to use 3.14 for pi. And make sure that you don't get confused with radius and diameter. And to prevent that, let's practice. So in a given circle, there's a diameter that goes from one side all the way to the other. If you break that radius or the diameter into two parts, you'll get the radius. So the diameter goes all the way across, but the radius only goes halfway. And it's two radiuses give you the diameter. Or you can divide the diameter by 2 and you'll get the radius. You need to be very comfortable going back and forth between them. Here are some practice problems that we can do. A, how do you get from the radius to the diameter? Well, all I have to do is multiply by 2 in order to get to the diameter, which is 14. So the diameter would be 14 inches. In order to go backwards from the diameter to the radius, I need to divide by 2. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. Go ahead and do C, D, E, and F all by yourself. Ready, set, go. C, D, E, F. All right, here's some visuals. Let's see if you can find out the question for this one. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Alright, so we're going to now find the circumference and area. What I first want you to do is I want you to pay attention to the formulas. This is circumference. The first step that you need to do is write down the formula. Go ahead and write down the formula. I'll wait. Alright, the formula is C is equal to 2 pi times R. And the area formula is area is equal to pi r squared. Now if I follow the recipe, the formula correctly, I will get the circumference and I'll get the area. Alright, I also have to pay attention. Is this radius or diameter? This is the radius, which is 9.5. I'm thankful because I really don't need the diameter. Alright, so let's put that in. 2 times pi times the radius, which is 9.5, and area is equal to pi times the radius, which is 9.5 squared. Now I'm not sure if your Google calculator has the exponent feature, so what you could do is rewrite it as pi times 9.5 times 9.5. Alright? Go ahead and try both of these in your calculator. Ready, set, go. Alright, you try some. What is the circumference? What is the area? What is the circumference of the base? What is the area of the base? What is the circumference of the base? What is the area of the base? Alright, if you have any questions, don't feel afraid to call me. I'll be at Wall Street till 7 o'clock. Have a nice night, Kipsters.